What up guys, this is Nick. Today I'm going to be telling you how to, and showing you how to cook perfect chicken breast on the grill. I'm going to be using a Traeger, but it really doesn't matter as long as you're able to monitor the temperature on your grill. So let's go do this. Okay, kind of the first steps I like to do is make sure that they're patted dry. So I'll just get a paper towel and pat these bad boys dry real quick. I did that one already. And then, you know, cut off any fat that you don't want. And then what I like to do for two reasons. One, to stick seasoning to the breasts. And two, to make sure that these do not stick on the grill. I just put a little bit of olive oil, just like a drop on each one. Flip them and just kind of get the oil all over it. And then, like I was saying before, this gives your seasoning something to stick to on the chicken itself, which is super helpful. And then you can season this to your liking. These don't have to be marinated, just thawed. So you're gonna wanna, if you have a pellet grill, you're gonna wanna preheat it to 350. If you have a charcoal grill, you're gonna wanna get it to 350 and then kind of dampen it down and just kind of maintain about 350. Same with propane. You know, use your thermostat and make sure that you keep around 350. Quick tip too, you always want to put a little thing of water inside your grill that keeps the moisture in the grill when you're cooking, so then that makes it things a lot more tender. Alright, let's just wait for the grill to heat to 350. Alright guys, so once your grill is set at heat, you're going to want to cook your chicken on one side for 15 minutes. And then after that 15 minutes, you'll flip it and cook it for 12 minutes. And again, the temperature is 350. Yeah. You want to kind of hurry up because you don't want to let all the heat out here. Alright. Cook it for 15 minutes. And don't check on it. If you're looking, it's not cooking. Alright, all 15 minutes is up. We're going to flip and cook for another 12 minutes. Let's take a look at these bad boys. I'm going to try to hurry up. Woo! Getting there. 12 more minutes. Alright y'all, let's take a look at this. Time's up, dude. Damn, those look good. Juicy. Look at this. Look at that. That's good, baby. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Take a look down below. I've got links to this grill and the products I'm using and stuff like that. So you guys have a great day or night. Peace.